Center for Health, Human Rights and Development accuses the two government agencies of failing to respond to repeated warnings about the public health risks and environmental hazards posed by poor waste management at the Kiteezi landfill.
Manage the disposal of garbage. KCCA cannot be reluctant to the cries of the communities in Kiteezi until when it is really too late. We noticed that there were women struggling, there were men struggling, people crying of their property, people crying of, their lives. Even when you go there now, you will actually see houses destroyed and we are actually silent. So we thought that by coming up and instituting cases against them, they will wake up. And specifically, we are taking both of them because if KCCA had failed, then NEMA ought to have come up and taken up its sole responsibility.
In its petition, CEHURD is demanding for, among others, the immediate decommissioning of the Kiteezi landfill and a comprehensive environmental restoration of the affected area.
We are here together with communities of Kiteezi to demand for immediate decommissioning of the landfill, comprehensive environmental restoration, and the adoption of sustainable waste management systems aligned with international best practices. We have decided to engage court for declarations and orders relating to the protection of violated rights to life, property, health, a clean and healthy environment.
Aware of other cases in court about this issue, CEHURD seeks for justice, particularly on environmental health.
But we have also looked at other cases that are there, but the cases that are there, one is an individual case, another is a representative suit, but they don't speak to the issues that we are speaking about. None of those cases is asking KCCA, for example, to decommission. None of those cases is looking at what NEMA failed to do at the time when the community of Kiteezi was making noise and trying to advocate for their rights.
Local residents report that waste is still being dumped at the site in secret, despite official claims that dumping ceased.
Bambi ebintu ebyobulabe bingi nnyo bye bazze ng'abaana baffe bajja babizanyisa ffe ng'abazadde ne tubeera mu kweraliikirira.
Twali twagala ti KCCA ejje eggalewo ekirombe ekyo eteekewo n'amateeka.
CEHURD believes this case should serve as a wake-up call for all agencies entrusted with the stewardship of public health and climate justice. Faith Nanono Smaya for UBC.